Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be comparing some drone filters that you can get for a DJI Mini 2. I'll start off with some indoor shots and then we'll move to some outdoor shots. I've also added some drone footage that I've got over the past few months. So yeah, a few things to keep in mind when you're looking at drone lens filters. Obviously you can go with no filter if you just want the natural look from the camera, but I would still recommend going with some kind of screen protector just to keep your drone's lens safe. I mean, that's the reason why you have the drone, is for the camera, so if something happens and you get your lens scratched, that would be very bad. The other things that I would look at is anything that you're shooting over like water, you want to look at using the CPL or the MCUV filters, because those will remove a lot of the glare so you'll see better into the water. Now if you're trying to get a building with reflection from the windows, you probably don't want to use those because then you're going to lose some of that reflection. The ND 4, 8, 16, and 32 filters, those all essentially do the same thing, which control the amount of light that goes into the lens. So you're doing this because you want to shoot objects that are in motion and get a little bit of that motion blur. And as you can see in the shots, there's different levels of brightness based on those filters. So if you're in conditions where it's not that bright, I would use the ND4, versus if you're in like super bright sunlight, you may want to look at the ND32 filter. They're all going to accomplish the same goal, they're just kind of tailored for your different levels of brightness. So experiment with those and come up with the judgment of how bright it is for which filter you're going to use. But all in all, this filter pack from Amazon I think is a good fit for the drone, and I'll put the link in the description if anybody's interested.